Hey everybody, welcome to Thursday Morning Mike Talk. Thank you guys for joining us here at Song and Sword. And this is a great new location. We have some breaking news that we're going to share with you here in a couple days. We're trying to form this into an official ministry, and that takes, of course, some legal documentation and stuff that I don't understand. So we're trying to get this up to speed and our website and everything going. So stay tuned. We're gonna give you some really exciting news here pretty soon, especially on Sunday. As I preach from Jeremiah chapter 31, I said yesterday that I would be preaching from John 10 and the Good Shepherd, but actually that's the next week's lesson. I'm trying to line up some sermons all the way through Easter and beyond. This Sunday is Jeremiah 31, and it's a sermon called Dance Again. So it's for all of those of us who might be brokenhearted or lonely or going through hard times, and it's a promise that in Jesus we will dance again. I hope you invite somebody to Sunday here at Song and Sword. Hey, I want to shout out to Chuck, by the way. Chuck, thank you. Brought me a wireless microphone that I'm probably going to try out this Sunday. So stay tuned, see how that works out. It's also technology. Chuck reminded me that that I baptized him during COVID, and what a blessing. Thank you, Chuck. You have no idea what that means that you came by and gave me that. And again, I'm praying for all of you guys. Keep your prayer requests coming. Join me in lifting up a little premature baby named Olson. And I've been lifting him up all day long, and just pray that God's going to do something cool in him. I want to share with you because if nothing else, what we've done as we now start this fourth year of Mike Talks, day one of fourth year, is we've shared our lives together. And my mom, who has been in the nursing home and in and out of battling different kinds of things throughout the years, she has been put on hospice. They can't do anything more for her with her lungs and her heart and all that kind of stuff, and kidneys. You know, medicines start battling against each other. And so would you just pray for my mom? Pray for her. She is one of the sweetest, best souls ever. Mom, if you're watching, I love you. And you know what? We're not going to live forever. That's what the truth of Scripture teaches us. Well, speaking of Scripture, let's get to Genesis chapter 25 today. Genesis 25, verse 29. Very important teaching. This is, remember, Esau and Jacob were the two sons of Isaac and Rebekah. Esau was a manly man, a hunter, a gatherer. He loved wild game. And Esau was a man of the tents. He was kind of a mama's boy, stayed inside and did cooking. So here's the story in Genesis chapter 25. Once when Jacob was cooking stew, Esau came in from the field and he was exhausted. And Esau said to Jacob, "Let me eat some of that red stew, for I am exhausted." Therefore his name was called Edom. And Jacob said, "Sell me your birthright now." And Esau said, "I'm about to die. Of what use is a birthright to me?" And Jacob said, "Swear to me now." So he swore to him, and he sold his birthright to Jacob. Then Jacob gave Esau bread and lentil stew, and he ate and drank and rose and went his way. Thus Esau despised his birthright. The birthright to the oldest son in every family was the most important thing. It was a double portion of the inheritance. So whatever dad had, he would divide it among the numbers of his sons, and then he would give a double portion to the oldest son. It's the birthright of the oldest son. Esau has been out hunting. He's famished. His appetite is big, and he comes in and he smells this red stew. The word for Edom and the word for red are similar. So Esau is called Edom. That's part of what become the Edomites later on, but that's another story. The point is that Esau is hungry, and in a moment when Jacob says, "Okay, you can have some of my stew, you can have a bowl of beans, but you give me the birthright." Now think about this for a moment. This is one of the worst trades in the history of the world. He's giving up literally land and inheritance and wealth, and he's doing it because he's hungry in the moment. What good is a birthright, he says. Just give me the stew. I'm going to die. He wasn't going to die. He gave in to his appetite. And here's the lesson for us today, this simple teaching. On this Thursday, as you walk around, don't give in to the appetites of this world, the things that look good or feel like you need right now. and give away your inheritance. Your inheritance in God through Jesus Christ is the thing that matters the most. Nothing this world offers, nothing that it can give you, no taste that you can have, no appetite that can be filled is worth giving up your inheritance. Today, hold on to your inheritance in Jesus Christ. It's the most important thing. Don't give it up for anything. God bless you guys. This is a lesson we learned from Esau and Jacob. I hope you're walking with Jesus today. Hope you have a great day. Love you all. See you tomorrow.